A for apple. Say it with me.
A for apple. B for ball.
B for ball.
B for ball. C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog. E for elephant.
E for elephant. E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish. G for goat.
G for goat.
G for
goat. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jack. J for jack.
J for jack.
K for kite. K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion. L for lion.
M for monkey. M for monkey.
N for nest. Now repeat.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen. Now repeat after me.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit. Now you repeat.
R for rabbit. S for ship. S for ship.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Now repeat after me. X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zip. Z for zip. बच्चों, अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द